Hi guys, I'm Surendra Vasim Setti. I'm currently studying BTech third year in Mission Institute of Technology. As part of my WebDev 501, I'm creating a PLAYWELL. PLAYWELL generally is a sports scheduler. So in sports scheduler, we can organizing and creating events as for the admins and as for the players also. So before getting into the video, let me show the workflow of my PLAYWELL. So PLAYWELL offers a lot of services that like creating an event and organizing an event and managing the event. So here the events like the sports tournaments that was related to the players. So let me show the workflow of my player first. So this is the basic landing page of my player. So in this player, it offers the tournaments. Here the organizing the section. So whatever the tournaments that was organized by the admin, it will show here. So and after this, it will the benefits and the uses of my PLAYWELL offers. So organizing tournaments, team management, the value management, and the live updates. So this is the basic web page and the basic landing page of my PLAYWELL. So let me sign up as an admin first. So here you can see the admin page of my player. So I want to sign up as admin. So here I can the details enter as any detail like mm, Kumar at gmail.com. Sorry, the purpose right, Kumar, um, Kumar @gmail.com and password as Kumar123. After the successful sign up, it redirects to the sign in page of admin. So let me enter the details that was entered in admin sign up Kumar @gmail.com and the password Kumar123. Okay. So after the successful login, it redirects to the admin dashboard, right? So here in the admin panel, we can offer the lot of services to the as the role of admin. So admin can create the sport event and the check users. So whatever the players that was enrolled into the sport event, he can organize and the check for the users and the other events like organizing and managing the events. So first, I want to create a sport schedule of volleyball. Volleyball and I'm getting into the date as random and the time so give random and let me introduce as location the top row and create schedule. So when the event created successfully, it forwards the message event created successfully. So after the successful creating the sport schedule as per the admin, we want to log out as per the admin side. So, so I want to check the whatever the events that was available for the players who want to join the events like any other sport events that was organized by the admin side. First of all, I want to register as a um, user, so or a player. Let me give him another name for this. Maybe Kaushik and the Gmail. Kaushik @gmail.com and the password 123. So after the successful sign up of a player, it redirects to the sign in page of the player. So let me enter the details, whatever we give in the user sign up page, gmail.com and the password. So after successful login as a player, here user can find the events that was organized and that was managed by the admin side. So this was the past events that was created as in the role of admin. So now I can see and organize and join the events, whatever the users offered here. So in the user side, we was created the event volleyball. Here you can see the event was organized in this section. So then I want to join it, guys. So let me join it. So after the successful join in the event, you can show the pop-up message you have successfully joined in that sports session. So in this the user section, this is the services that was offered mm, as for the player. So we want to remove it. So here you can provide the option. So any sport that does not you was not interested into as for the user or a player, you can remove it also. So here you can also event and the organizing your own sport tournament. So let me log out. So here you can see the services that was offered to the user as a player. So I want to log out. So after the successful logout, it redirects to the home page. So you can see the about page. So this is the general information that was related to the Playwell. I want to put it outside. So here this is the basic web flow of my Playwell, guys. I hope you can understand through my explanation in the right way. You can sign up as admin and the user, and you can sign in as admin and the player sides. So this is the basic web flow of my Playwell. So it was a basic sport scheduler that was offers a lot of facilities as per the admin and as per the player. So I hope this is the front end part of my and this is the basic UI of my level. So let me explain through my code first. Mm, So let me minimize it, guys. It was very confusing to me. Here you can see the folder structure of my level. It was organized into the two sections. As for the front end, I was using React.js, and as for the backend, I was using Node and Express. As for the database, I was used Postgres as my uh, database here. So I forgot it, guys. So let me show the details that we was entered into the level was stored into this database or not. First, I want to uh, select the users that was fastly enter into my websites as a player from the table users, right? Mm, okay, let me enter it. Here you can see these were the players that was fastly enter into our website level. So as for the users, we created also events, and so let me show it this also. Select event. So this is the events that was organized as a admin. So this is the basic. I'm created a database and configure into the front end and back end. So let me explain my code. So guys, as for the backend, I'm not creating any folders like routes, middlewares, and models. So sorry for that. It may be a little confusing to you. So here you can find the models and the basic routes and the middlewares that all was included into the single file app.js. So as for my application level, I was first created backend for that because it may be little bit easy when we have the backend first. So for that, I'm creating backend for my projects. So it takes a lot of time for connecting the database Postgres, but because I don't know about Postgres for the time, so I want to learn it and integrate it for my project. So here you can see I was installing the basic packages that was required for the creation of a server and installing and sequelize of the databases and the course as per the front end and the back end integration. So I was installing the basic packages that I was in use for my project. So here you can find what are the dependencies that I was using for my project. So after Creating the successful database. Let me enter it into the database and the username of the password that was created as part of my database creation. So let me sequence it, and as per the storage in the database, I was created the models for the user, events, and the admins. So here you can find it for the models. And so after creating the models, I was integrate the middlewares and the API endpoints, the basic routes. Here you can find the logic and the APIs that was integrated to the backend. So here you can find the all the middlewares routes and the models for the creation of the database in my table are all find it here. So as for my backend, I was using the port 3001. So as for my front end, I was used the basic server port that was given from the white bundle. So here you can see the front one was run in the another port and the back end was run on another port. So I'm integrate with the course. Here the course package that was related to integrate the both front end and back end. So this is the basic backend that was used for creation for the data tables and the data stored in the Postgres. Here you can find all the code related to it. So let me explain the front end. As for the front end, I am creating the React.js project through the white bundle. So I am installing the basic packages. So here I am using Tailwind as the framework. We know that. So the integration of the Tailwind as per the in the React project that was easy to create the user interfaces effectively. Here you can find the basic components in the pages that was created and helpful to my projects and the basic assets and the images what I was used to my project. And so let me show you guys. I'm taking as React as my front end guys. So generally for my sports scheduler, I was using PERN step. PERN means we already know that Postgres, Express Node, and React. So I'm not using any Axios for that fetching data from the APS. Here directly I'm using the fetch method for fetching the data from the APS and that was created in the backend. So this is the all code that related to the level. Let me minimize it. So here you can find any doubts arise to you. Let me know it, guys. I was pushing my GitHub link with the video below. So feel free to modify it and change it, and feel free to any queries that was raised and any confusions maybe here you have. Let me know it, guys. I think you all understand. So I forgot it, guys. Uh, my PLAYWELL is very responsive. So it is a responsive website. It can minimize it in any view. Here you can see as for the sign up and any page, it may the responsive guys. So this is the basic application of the creating sports scheduler level. As part of my WebDev 501, I'm a member of Alert Batch. So thanks for the opportunity given the discussion, sir. I am very grateful to you, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. I hope you are understanding with my explanation, right? If you have any queries and any confusions arise to you, let me know it. So I am pushing my video link and GitHub link below the video. Thank you, guys. Thank you.